You ever feel like your body just crashes every winter, no matter what you do? It's like you're eating okay, you're getting sleep, you're staying warm, but still run down, tired, and always fighting off a cold. Well, here's the wild truth. It's not just the weather, it's your nervous system misfiring. Let's put it like that. Stay with me for 60 seconds and I'll show you how to flip the switch back on. Your body has an inner doctor. It's built in. Every day it's fighting germs, it's repairing damage, and it's keeping you moving. It's called your body's innate intelligence. We know about innate immunity, but innate intelligence runs your entire body, and it's responsible for your body's ability to heal itself and stay healthy. And it's incredible when it's switched on and working properly. The truth is, winter throws its own challenges. Changes in barometric pressure, storms coming in, colder temperatures, shorter days, less willing to move effectively. And that can run your body down. Lots of people sneezing and coughing around you. You've got an increased amount of viruses and bugs and stuff, but even though they live in your body, there's more of them around, so your body has to work harder to try and stay healthy. So your nervous system runs everything. How do we switch it on so it's working the best that it possibly can? Let's go. Imagine your brain trying to send signals to your body. Every cell in your body, 100% without any interference and no static and stuff, right? When that signal is actually interfered with, it creates a bit of static, and your brain's ability to control your body and to maintain your body healthy is reduced. That static can happen when your spine's out of alignment. It creates a thing called a subluxation. It's your spine not moving properly, it's out of alignment, and in some complex way it's interfering with your nervous system, which runs everything. Now, these small misalignments can have a big impact on your nervous system and your quality of life, especially in the winter. So chiros are great with this stuff. Now, it's not like we're turning on your immune system. What we're doing is getting your spine moving. That's improving nervous system function by improving clarity in the messages and that communication, brain to body and body to brain. And that in turn allows your body to respond better to the stresses around it. If it's winter, that might be colds and flus and other infections and stuff like that. So simple 3 things. 1, get adjusted if you haven't had one. It'll help. It may help you a lot or a little bit, but if you need it, it will help. Drink water. Your nervous system runs on it. Stay hydrated. The 3rd one is rest. Sometimes in the winter, you just need to sleep in a little bit. If you can't, go to sleep a little bit earlier. If you can't, then sometime during the day, take a rest. Give your body that extra chance. If you're not as healthy in the winter as you are in the summer, your body needs something else. Now, if you know someone that's always sick, send them this video. Maybe we can help, and we would love to help them. If you've got a tip that you think works for you, then share it down below. You can connect with us, send us a message, or click on the link below, or just check in with our bio. If you haven't been in for a while, check in for a winter wellness checkup. We'd love to see you. And if you haven't ever been in, maybe now's the time. What are you waiting for? I'll see you on the next video.